Hi Skin Games, it's me Kisha from Goodyear, Arizona, and this is week 7 of our age management category. For this demo, I want to talk about why I intentionally chose dermaplaning towards the end of Anna's age management treatment series. Throughout this protocol, we performed a significant amount of resurfacing and collagen-stimulating treatments, including microchanneling, enzymes, microcurrent, and LED light therapy. Because of this, Anna's skin had already completed multiple cycles of renewal and is responding beautifully. My goal now is to refine the surface of the skin and enhance these results we had already built. Dermaplaning allowed me to gently and precisely remove accumulated dead skin cells and vellus hair, which can sit on the surface of the skin and interfere with light reflection and product penetration. By removing the buildup, I was able to immediately improve the skin's smoothness, brightness, and clarity without creating unnecessary stimulation. Another important reason for choosing dermaplaning at this point was for product absorption. When the stratum corneum is refined, the skin is more receptive of receiving active ingredients, hydrators, and lifting serums that I've used today for Anna's facial to penetrate more effectively and perform at the highest potential. It was so important for me to be able to perform the dermaplaning later in the series as opposed to earlier, because I felt like it would have interfered with the recovery because it is a more aggressive resurfacing of the skin. I wanted to be able to safely polish the skin, enhance the luminosity of her skin, and give her a very nice even skin tone without compromising her skin barrier. I was right. Anna's skin looks immaculate. It has a visible glow, the texture is improved, and she has a noticeably brighter complexion.